Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add home information to your Google Home account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this settings icon in the middle of the screen. Now go to the general section and tap on the first option, home information. Now you can add a nickname to your home. If you click on it, you can type in the nickname of your home. If you are done with it, just press the button save at the top of the screen. So now the nickname of your home has been updated, and you can also set the address of your home, which will help you to give you accurate answers about local weather, traffic and more. Tap on the add address button in the middle of the screen, and then you should select your country, then type in your town or city. Then add your address and your postcode as well. If you are done with adding all these information and you would like to save them, press the button next down below in the right side corner of the screen. Now you need to confirm your home location, as you can see it on the map. So if it's right, just tap on the button confirm down below in the right corner. If you want to edit your address, tap on edit. If you are done with this information, you can go back to the previous pages. You can see these information have been saved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.